Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let us continue our topic coal and petroleum. In this chapter, today we will discuss about destructive distillation. Okay, it is a process in which coal is heating in the absence of air. Okay, without air, when coal is heated, we obtain useful products. This process is known as destructive distillation. What are the different products of coal? Okay, these products of coal we can obtain by destructive distillation. These are useful products which are obtained from the coal. Okay, first one is coke, second coal gas, third one is coal tar. One by one we will discuss. First of all, I am taking coke. What is coke? Coke is greyish black, solid, porous and rough in texture. It is not shiny as coal. Okay, it is hard in nature. How it is prepared? Coke is prepared by the heating of coal. In the absence of air, we will remove the impurities and moisture. What are the uses of coke? It is specially used in the extraction of iron and other metals. What is the meaning of extraction? Okay, we can obtain the metals from the minerals. Is that clear? This process is known as extraction. By the refining of minerals, we can extract the iron or steel. Second use, it is used in the preparation of fuel gases like producer gas and water gas. Producer gas is the mixture of nitrogen, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Water gas, it is also used as a fuel. It is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. You can frame next question. Coke is better than coal. Why coke is better fuel than coal? Because it does not produce smoke on burning. Okay, it is a smokeless fuel and by burning it will produce more heat. Okay, so coke is better fuel than coal. Our next product is coal gas. Coal gas, it is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide and some amount of other gases. What is the formula of methane? CH4. Okay. C for carbon, H for hydrogen. What are the uses of coal gas? It is important industrial fuel because it produces lot of heat. In olden times, it was used for street lighting. Okay, in olden times, but now this is used as a source of heat. In olden time, it was used as a street lighting first time in London in 1810 and in New York in 1820 because its flame is luminous in nature. Okay, now we will read about coal tar. Yes, next coal product is coal tar. It is dark black oily liquid which having unpleasant smell due to the presence of different mixture in it. Okay, we use coal tar in making inks, dyes, detergents, plastics, insecticides, etc. Naphthalene balls. These are the poles we are using to repel moths and other insects. These are also prepared with the help of coal tar. In previously time, we were using coal tar for surfacing the roads, for metalling the roads. Okay, but now we are using bitumen. It is a petroleum product. Okay, coal tar replaced by bitumen for surfacing the roads. Some other facts about coal are Industrial Revolution started in 18th century, which was based when coal was used to power steam engines. Okay, burning of coal is hazard for health. Why? Because it causes serious problem. By burning of coal, it will release out some carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and smoke. This is the main reason for air pollution. Carbon dioxide is the main gas which is known as greenhouse gas, which is responsible for global warming. What is the meaning of global warming? Rising temperature of the earth. Some other greenhouse gases for the global warming are methane, chlorofluorocarbons, etc. Some diseases are also occurred due to the burning of coal, like pneumoconiosis. This is a black lung cancer. Okay, especially it is found in the coal miners. Sometimes burning of coal is disastrous in the mines. It also causes adverse effect on the environment, like it destroy the soil profile, wildlife habitat, and it is disastrous for mined area. Thank you.